Hello and welcome to the Digital Divide Explained, the podcast where your host is Stuart. Stuart explores the gap between those who have access to information and communication technologies and those who don't. In each episode, Stuart will discuss the causes, consequences, and solutions of the digital divide, as well as share some stories and insights from people who are affected by it. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a social activist, or just curious about the world, this podcast is for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Digital Divide Explained. I am your host, Stuart Milimu Ilondanga. In this episode, we will delve into a crucial aspect of the digital age, the world of drones. Specifically, we will explore training and education initiatives as well as insurance solutions tailored to novice users, all aimed at bridging the digital divide in the realm of drones. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to understand why this topic matters. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, have rapidly evolved from being recreational gadgets to powerful tools with diverse applications. From aerial photography and videography to agricultural monitoring and disaster management, drones have the potential to revolutionize various industries. However, their widespread adoption hinges on ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background, can safely and effectively harness this technology.
You are tuned into the Digital Divide Explained podcast. What do you call a hacker who fights for digital equality? An excessivist.
One of the key challenges in embracing drone technology is the knowledge gap. Many people are enthusiastic about drones but lack the necessary training and education to operate them safely. So how can we address this issue? Well, it all starts with education. Initiatives aimed at providing comprehensive drone training and education are essential. These programs should cover the basics of drone operation, safety protocols, and legal regulations. Moreover, they should be accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. By doing so, we empower individuals to make informed decisions when it comes to using drones.
You are tuned into the Digital Divide Explained podcast. Why did the smartphone go to therapy? It had separation anxiety from the digital divide.
While knowledge is crucial, accidents can still happen, even with the best training. This is where insurance solutions tailored to novice users come into play. Insurance provides a safety net for drone enthusiasts and businesses alike. Novice users may be hesitant to invest in expensive equipment if they fear the financial repercussions of a mishap. Tailored insurance solutions can alleviate these concerns and encourage responsible drone use. This not only protects users but also ensures that drones continue to be integrated into various sectors of our economy.
You are tuned into the Digital Divide Explained podcast. Why did the computer keep freezing? It wanted to embrace the concept of chilling with the digital divide.
But education and insurance are just part of the equation. To truly bridge the digital divide in drone technology, we also need to invest in the necessary infrastructure. Drone infrastructure includes things like landing pads and charging stations. These may seem mundane, but they play a critical role in promoting the safe and responsible use of drones. Think about it. Without adequate infrastructure, drones might land in unsafe areas, risking damage to themselves and others. By investing in such infrastructure, we create a conducive environment for the expansion of drone technology.
You are tuned into the Digital Divide Explained podcast. What do you call a computer that's always on vacation? A laptop wanderer.
As we wrap up this episode of the Digital Divide Explained, it is clear that drones hold incredible potential, but realizing this potential requires a concerted effort. Training and education initiatives empower individuals with the knowledge they need. Insurance solutions offer protection, and investments in infrastructure lay the groundwork for responsible drone use. The digital divide in the world of drones can be bridged, but it's a journey that requires collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to ensuring that this technology benefits everyone. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, knowledge is the first step toward a safer and more inclusive drone future. That's all for today. I am Stuart Milimilondanga, your host, signing off. Until next time, stay curious and keep bridging the digital divide.
Ladies and gentlemen, in our pursuit of a more connected and equitable world, let us remember that knowledge is power. By understanding the digital divide and its implications, we can collectively work toward solutions that ensure no one is left behind in the digital age. Stuart was your host and guide on this podcast, Digital Divide Explained. It is not just a matter of providing internet access. It is about empowering individuals, strengthening communities, and fostering equitable development. Stay informed, stay inspired, and remember, a connected world is a better world. Stuart is now signing off from Digital Divide Explained. Until next time, take care.